Alright guys, I am with, hey, I gotta do take two now. Gotta edit that out, whatever. Alright, hey guys, I am with Chris Harvey, who's this event. This event is in memory of your dad, right?
That's right, Miley Harvey.
And stuff.
That,
give me 1 second.
he passed in March 23rd, 2023.
Hold on 1 sec. You gotta go over here. This fucking sun is terrible. Don't worry, I'll do all the editing. Okay. Alright, go for it. All right.
So, my dad, he was Miley Harvey. He passed in March of 2023, the 23rd of 2023 of cancer. And a bunch of my friends, I had a very hard time dealing with his death because we were more like best friends than we were father and son. And he was the type of person, he would always help anybody out. He'd pick anybody up on the side of the road, do whatever he needed to do. So a bunch of my buddies got together and said, let's do a benefit. It was going to be a one-time, one and done type thing, but it ended up being so well turnout, we decided to do it annually. And this is the 3rd annual. This is the biggest one yet. You can see all the stuff out here. You can see all the prizes. There's over $80,000 in prizes we're giving away this weekend. It's crazy what it's done turned into, but we thank God for what it has turned into. Without him, we couldn't do anything. So
what about the families that benefit?
The families, so how we do it, the first year we ran into somebody that their child was dealing with cancer, and just so happened they were kind of like an administrator over a Facebook page that kind of helped other families that's dealing with the same thing. So we lean on her every year to help us pick 10 or so families that we can actually take and figure out who we want to help. So the way we do it, we actually we give it to God and let him pray and let him tell us how we need to do it. These 2 families we got this year is a little girl out of Indiana. She has leukemia. I think she's around 4, maybe 5. I think she's 4. And then a little boy out of Georgia. He is 8 or 9 years old. His name is Gus. The little girl's name's Hattie. The little boy, it's kind of a unique situation. His mother is fighting leukemia at the same time he is. So we helping them out, and hopefully tomorrow night we're gonna hand them a wad of cash. They're gonna go home. They had a trip of their life. They had a weekend vacation. We put them up in at Ride Royal Blue here. Justin Jones at Ride Royal Blue. I can't thank him enough for letting us use his facilities to make this happen. He is one of the best men I ever known. So it's got a beautiful campground. Everything that you see that's out here is donated 100% free. We don't pay anything for it. These vendors, Milwaukee, I mean everybody, 864 off-road, Rampant off-road, fast performance, Team Fast Motorsport, T-Rex off-road, Group Performance, JBS Performance, the Can-Am crew. We got G-Force Racing Technologies down there, 864 off-road, Far off-road, Crash City side-by-side. We got Somewhat Haggard. We got 2 food trucks down there. We got RJR off-road. We got the KRX couple. These vendors, we got Razor Edge Design and Area 15 Design. We're giving away a buggy right here tonight. We're actually giving this buggy away right here. This is Razor Edge Design, Austin Kemp's buggy. We're giving this buggy away. We got a trailer. We got 5 roll cages, Infinite Fab, Mud Metal Off-Road, Far Off-Road. Those 3 fab shops got together, gave us roll cages. We got one sitting on the trailer right here. We're giving a trailer away.
Where's the trailer from?
The trailer is from East Tennessee Trailers out of Knoxville, and it's manufactured by Rock Built Trailers. That trailer was 100% donated to whatever we make off of it, we give to the families. Whatever it is, we make at the end of the weekend, we tally it up, we split it down the middle, and we give each family equal amount.
Awesome. And how did you and Damien get in touch?
I was looking for I actually put a post up on one of the Can-Am pages on Facebook, and I was asking about a tuner. Yeah, a tuner. and I had a tune in my buggy, and I wasn't satisfied with it. I was asking people about it. He was like, "I'll get you a Wayland tune, Dynojet tuner." It took me a week and a half to take his word for it. I bought it and put it in my buggy, and my buggy's a 2020. It's sitting over there fixing to get suspension done by Gary Hinkle at G-Force. Put the tune in my buggy, and it made a world of difference. If you want to go, get Wayland. Get with this guy. He'll help you out.
Take care of you guys, whoever wants one.
Yeah, so, we're happy to be a part of this.
Yeah. We're going to be doing more events together. We're going to do some stuff. Just stay tuned. She'll let you know where we're going to be. It's going to be a team effort thing.
Definitely. We're happy to be a part of it. All right, guys. You heard about the event. Make sure you come next year. Come next year.
First weekend in October.
First weekend in October. Make your plans. Ride Royal Blue. They are the people that give the event space free.
Yeah.
And
they have three campers.
If you want to be a vendor next year, get in touch with me. Get in touch with Allie or Damon. And then if you want to make a donation, please give me a call. So they got my number. Every year we're going to make it bigger than what it is this year. Next year is going to be great.
And we decided to go maybe like a month before the event.
About a month.
About a month. And who were you able to reach out to get some help from?
Talk to Chris. Chris is a great guy. We talk probably once, twice a week. Even if it's something stupid we talk about. Last night we spent probably 4 or 5 hours just talking about machines, Gary Hinkle, G-Force, a bunch of different companies that we like and stuff like that.
Who were you able to get that we knew to help out?
We reached out to a couple of our group sponsors, Ibex, All Things UTVs, one of our vendors that we deal with. Demon Motor Power Sports was another one we just reached out. They donated a gift card. Ibex did a clutch kit, and Demon's doing a gift card, and then All Things is doing a set of tenor springs. And Millar whips, great whips that we deal with. She donated what, a 2-foot set, 3-foot set?
It was a couple.
Or a couple sets of whips. Chris knows more about those.
They were in a box, and they sitting over there. They will get gave away tomorrow. Thank you for the ones that did donate, and the ones that's going to donate. We appreciate it, because without y'all, we can't make this possible.
Thank you.